Hello students and welcome to our channel. If you like the explanation, do not forget to like and share the video and leave a comment. Subscribe to our channel to get notified on the latest uploads. Do not forget to press the bell icon. For more study materials, video courses and tests, do not forget to download the Keshav Classes app and sign up. Link is given in the description box. So इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे लॉग के कुछ बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टीज जो लॉग के प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग में काम आते हैं. Number 1, log of a to the base c plus log of b to the base c equal to log of ab to the base c. That means log of a number to a base plus log of another number to the same base common है, is equal to log of a into b. मतलब वो दोनों नंबर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा एंड एक सिंगल लॉग लग जाएगा with the common base being the base here also. इसका एक एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं. लेट्स वेरीफाई दिस प्रॉपर्टी. फॉर एग्जांपल वी हैव log of 2 to the base 2 plus log of 8 to the base 2. अब इस प्रॉपर्टी के हिसाब से log of 2 to the base 2 plus log of 8 to the base 2 should be equal to log of 2 into 8, that is log of 16 to the base 2. Let's see if the LHS here, मतलब जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड है यहाँ पे उसको कैलकुलेट करके और राइट हैंड साइड को कैलकुलेट करके हमारे पास सेम फिगर आता है कि नहीं. तो log of 2 to the base 2, that means कि इस 2 को कौन से पावर पे रेज करने से हमको ये वाला 2 मिलेगा. The answer is 1 because 2 to the power 1 is 2. Log of 8 to the base 2, that means कि इस 2 को कौन से पावर पे रेज करने से हमको 8 मिलेगा. The answer is 3 because 2 to the power 3 equal to 8. Now इसका आंसर है 1 प्लस इसका आंसर 3, so the answer, overall answer of the left hand side is 4. राइट हैंड साइड में log of 16 to the base 2, that means इस 2 को कौन से पावर पे रेज करने से हमको 16 मिलेगा. The answer is 4 because 2 to the power 4 is 16, so RHS is 4. LHS and RHS match, so this property is verified. Second property, log of a to the base c minus log of b to the base c. That means log of two numbers are getting subtracted and the base is common. उसमें क्या होगा, log of a by b, a single log and a by b, एक single log आ जाएगा, a and b get divided and the base is the same as this, the common base. So log of a minus log of b equal to log a by b. Let's verify this property also. Suppose we have log of 27 to the base 3 minus log of 9 to the base 3 equal to log of 3 to the base 3. इस प्रॉपर्टी के हिसाब से ऐसा ही होना चाहिए because log of 27 to the base 3 minus log of 9 to the base 3 is equal to log of 27 by 9 a by b, मतलब 27 by 9 that is 3 to the base 3 because base यहाँ पर भी 3 है. So let's verify log of 27 to the base 3, that means कि इस 3 को कौन से पावर पे रेज करने से हमको 27 मिलेगा. The answer of that is 3 because 3 to the power 3 is 27 minus log of 9 to the base 3, मतलब कि इस 3 को कौन से पावर पे रेज करने से हमको 9 मिलेगा. The answer of that is 2, so 3 minus 2 1 is the answer of the left hand side. Right hand side में we have log of 3 to the base 3. इसका मतलब इस 3 को कौन से पावर पे रेज करने से ये वाला 3 मिलेगा. The answer is obviously 1 because 3 to the power 1 is 3, so the right hand side is also 1. LHS and RHS are both equal, so the property is verified. Let's take a third very important property. Log of a to the base c by log of b to the base c equal to log of a to the base b. Log of a to the base c by log of b to the base c, that means common base. Log of two numbers is getting divided and the base is common. In that case वो common base हट जाएगा and नीचे वाला जो नंबर है वो बन जाएगा the new base. If we replace these two logs with a single log, तो log of a to the base b हो जाएगा. इसको भी वेरीफाई कर लेते हैं. Suppose we have log of 625 to the base 5 by log of 25 to the base 5. अब इस प्रॉपर्टी के हिसाब से ये हो जाना चाहिए log of 625 to the base 25. तो LHS और RHS ये दोनों का सेम आता है कि नहीं देखते हैं वैल्यू. यहाँ पे LHS क्या होगा, log of 625 to the base 5, that means इस 5 को कौन से पावर पे रेज करने से हमको 625 मिलेगा. The answer of that is 4 because 5 to the power 4 is 625 and नीचे में log of 25 to the base 5, that means इस 5 को कौन से पावर पे रेज करने से हमको 25 मिलेगा. The answer of that is 2 because 5 square is 25, so 4 by 2, the answer is 2. RHS log of 625 to the base 25, that means 25 को कौन से पावर पे रेज करने से 625 मिलेगा. The answer of that is also 2 because 25 square is 625. So here also LHS and RHS match. So this property is also verified. So let's see another very important property of log. log of a to the power m to the base b equal to m log of a to the base b. तो इसमें क्या होता है कि जो पावर है, the power m comes out in the front and gets multiplied. पावर सामने आकर के मल्टीप्लाई हो जाता है. Let's verify this property. Suppose we have log of 16 to the base 2. इस प्रॉपर्टी के हिसाब से हम इसको ऐसे एक्सप्रेस कर देंगे, log of 2 to the power 4 to the base 2 because 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4. And according to this property ये 4 सामने आ जाना चाहिए और सामने आकर के मल्टीप्लाई हो जाना चाहिए. 4 into log of 2 to the base 2. Now we know that log of 2 to the base 2 is 1 because 2 to the power 1 is 2. So 4 into 1 is 4. The answer is 4. तो ये प्रॉपर्टी वेरीफाई हो जाता है. क्यों? क्योंकि ऐसे भी हम लोग को ये मालूम है कि log of 16 to the base 2 का आंसर 4 होगा because 2 to the power 4 equal to 16. So by the basic definition of log, we know that the answer is 4 and इस property को use करके भी हमारा आंसर 4 आ रहा है. So this property is verified.